Basics of assignment statement. Let us get familiar with the program for this discussion. In this program, we are reading subject ID, name, marks in exam 1 till exam 5, and project and final marks for 5 students by use of column input, where only name is categorical variable. Take a look at this program and notice that I haven't used anything in proc print procedure. Now let me run this program. Here we have got our output with 10 variables and 5 observations, where variables are in order in which they were assigned in our program. As here you can see, subject first, then name, afterwards sex, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, project, then final. They are all in particular order, and same goes with observations. Before proceeding anywhere else, let us get familiar with var statement. The var or variables statement can be used with all procedures, that is proc print, proc core, proc means, etc. to indicate which variables are to be analyzed and in what specific order. If this statement is omitted, the default is to include all variables in order in which they are written. For the time being, remember that the var statement is used to print a subset of the variables in a SAS dataset in particular order when used in proc print procedure. Previously, we have not used anything in proc print procedure, but here we are going to use var statement, where I have specified name, E1, E2, E3, E4, project and final in particular order, and I have skipped sex and subject. Now let me run this program, and here you can see this is our output. You can easily see the difference between the previous and the current output. Now with the help of var statement, let us rearrange the variables in the following order: name, final, project, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. As here you can notice I have written var statement for particular order of variables, and let me run this program, and here you can notice that we have got name, then final, then project, and afterwards E1 till E5 as we have mentioned in our var statement. Syntax for assignment statement: new variable equal to expression or old variable, then semicolon. New variable must be a valid SAS name. Assignment statements evaluate the expression on the right side of the equal sign and store the result in the variable that is specified on the left side of the equal sign. Let us use assignment statement in this program. Here we are going to calculate total marks, that is sum of E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, project and final. So we will be using assignment statement corresponding to it. But you should keep an eye on output corresponding to second observation that have missing value, as here. Let me write the new variable total marks equal to in between I have to use plus sign. Now let us run our program, but before that we need to specify this new variable in our output var statement. Now let us run our program, and here you can see we have got our total marks, but in second observation we have got a missing value. There is an explanation to it. We will see it later on. In case you are confused with the variable creation, let me clarify that it is not necessary to have new variables all the time. For example, let us say headmaster wants to give extra 1 marks for exam 2 to all students. Then what we have to do is write this assignment statement. Here 1 will be added to E2, then it will be stored in a variable E2, and the process goes on. as here you can notice that we have incremented 1 marks for E2, 65, 66, 82, 83 and so on. If a variable appears for the first time on the right side of an assignment statement, SAS assumes that it is a numeric variable and that its value is missing. If no later statement gives it a value, SAS prints a note in the log that the variable is uninitialized. Let me try this by assigning EX to E1. This is the assignment statement. Now let me run this program, and here you can see in our output we have got missing value for E1. Now let us check log window. Here you can see we have got variable X is uninitialized. Apart from addition operator, there are other arithmetic operators as well. Here is a table with proper hierarchy up to down. Same colored column has same hierarchy weightage, that is multiplication and division, similarly addition and subtraction, and so on. In case of hierarchy dispute, SAS calculates left to right for all except for exponential, though questions can be asked of answers for particular equations based on the table. But as far as good programming skills are concerned, always specify proper parentheses that not only makes it easy to read equation but avoids confusion of remembering hierarchies, since it is have highest hierarchy. See you in next lecture, where most important thing is going to be discussed regarding observations containing missing numeric value. That is, you will be able to predict output beforehand for such observations. Thank you.